Step 6A. Add outside borders around the range A4 through D10. This is A4 through D10. These are the borders, and if I click down the arrow, I can add outside borders. This is the result. Step 6B. Add a bottom double border to cells C9 and D10. I select C9 and D9, I'm sorry, not D10, and choose a bottom double border. Step 6C. Apply the Aqua Accent 5 Lighter 80% fill color to the labels in the department column. I select those labels. Here's my fill color bucket. And I'm looking for Aqua 5% lighter. No, Accent 5 lighter 80%. There it is. Step 6D. Apply the Orange Accent 6 lighter 60% fill color to the range A4 through D4. A4 through D4. Click my fill bucket and find the 60% lighter orange. 6E. Change the color of the font in A4 through D4 to darker red 25%. With this still selected, I change the font color to red accent 2 darker 25%. Add a 12.5% gray pattern style to cell A1. I click on cell A1, right click, and choose Format Cells. That way I can expose this pattern style and choose the 12.5% gray. I hit OK. Step 6G. Format the range A14 through B14 with a dark blue lighter 40%. A14 through B14. Fill color. Of dark blue, lighter, 40%. Change the font color to white. Then apply the bold font style. Step 7A. Select the range D5 through D9. Then create a conditional format that changes the cells to green fill with dark green text if the value is between 150 and 275. So to accomplish this, highlight D5 through D9 and choose the conditional formatting menu. I'm going to choose color scales. As you move over each one, you can see what happens. But that's not what I want. I'm going to create a new rule. This box comes up. If I choose the second option, format only cells that contain, I can see that cell values between 150 and 275 are what I want. And if I hit the format button, I can choose the colors that I want. In my case, I would like to choose the font with dark green text, which I don't know where it is, so I'll choose that one. And for the fill, just a green fill. If I hit OK, I can see a preview of the results. I hit OK, and my conditional formatting is applied to these cells. Here's how it looks. Select the range C5 through C9 and apply a conditional format that changes the contents to red text if the number of employees exceeds 10. Well, value 12 here exceeds 10 employees, so it'll turn red when I'm done. So I highlight this range and I go back to conditional formatting. I choose a new rule. And I can choose the second option, format only cells that contain. And this time, I change this to greater than 10. I click the format button and I choose red text. That's a fill. Let me clear. On the font tab, I choose red text. OK. And OK. And now we can see that the number 12 is red. 7C. Apply a blue gradient filled data bar on the range C5 through C9. C5 through C9. Conditional formatting, data bars, blue data bar. That was easier than the others. 7D. Use the Rules Manager to modify the conditional format in cells C5 through C9 to display values greater than 10 in bold dark red. So currently it's just in red, but I want to change that to bold dark red. So I'll highlight my range of cells, choose conditional formatting, manage rules, and this one is the one that I want to change. I double click on it. I choose the format button and I change my color to dark red. Hit OK, hit OK, hit OK. Not much of a difference, but I did what they asked. 7E. Merge and center the title, cell A1, over columns A through D. So I click and drag to select A through D, and then hit the Merge and Center button on the toolbar, on the ribbon. Rename and move a worksheet. Step 8A. Name the Sheet 1 tab Insurance Data. I can double click on it and type Insurance Data and hit Enter. Name the Sheet 3 tab Employee Data. Employee Data. Change the insurance data tab color to red, lighter 40%. So I can right click on the insurance tab and choose tab color and red, lighter 40%. I can right click on the employee data tab, choose tab color, aqua, lighter 40%. Move the employee data sheet so it comes to the right of the insurance data sheet. Click and drag it to move it onto the other side of sheet 2. Step 8F. Make the insurance data sheet active by clicking on it and enter your name in cell A20. Step 9A. Click in A1. Step 9B. Use the Find and Select feature to replace the accounting label with accounting/legal. I choose the Find and Select, replace, and I choose to find accounting. You will have to type this, and I want to replace it with accounting/legal. Find next. You can see that that value is in A5, and that's what I want to replace, so I hit the replace button and close. Step 9C, check your spelling. Review, spelling. I want to continue at the beginning of the sheet and check the entire document. My spell check is complete, no errors, and I'm done.